RIMS के Department of Psychiatry na SHINDUNA International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking की Thouram ngasi Department ASIGI Dr. KAMAL hold the Pangthokkhre. The evidence is clear. Invest in prevention haiba theme the Pangthokkhre Thouram aduda RIMS के Medical Superintendent Professor Manipurtom, RIMS के Department of Psychiatry के Head of Department Dr. S. Gozendra, RIMS के Academics के Dean Dr. Brozen Akwesam Amade, RIMS के Department of Psychology के Head of Department Dr. NG Samitana Mathang Sidna, Chief Guest President Amade, Guest of Honor on Nasarugya K. Thouram aduga mari leina RIMS के Medical Superintendent Professor Sanjeev Nepram Nahai, ngasi faubada RIMS के Department of Psychiatry na miyai kabat chinjakta लाइचुदुना लेरंबा मियोई लिसिंग कुनमाथोगी मथक्ता फहंदुना मौसागी पुंसीदा हंजिल हनबा ngमख्रे ngasi maksu nongmada drug addict chamagi mathakta laing chathaduna leidi asi yongna chinkraba department asina ngasi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking gi thauram pangthokliba asimak yamna chawthuk chaningai ne Department asina paikhatliba thabak sing asigi mathakta tongan ba national program manga su department asida chathari Drug amasung drug ke issue ase tarai na handle tauba yaba issue amadi nate masida legal amadi social issue yauna tongan ba khudong chadaba kaya ama thengnari bane adum oinamal ana laingi lamda thabak tauba medical professional singna issue asibu yamna haina singna amadi kathokpa maga loinna handle tawriba se singthaningai ni haina sum hakna makha chana khungdokhe.
Every day there are more than 100 people who are getting treatment for drugs here every day. It's quite an achievement for the department. There is a methadone replacement therapy where more than 100 every day are getting methadone treatment. Not only this DTC, it also runs 5 other national programs on drug de-addiction. So this is quite a unique achievement for the department. I wish the department continues all the hard work done by our senior teachers and being continued by present head of departments and the faculty members. We all know that drug de-addiction or problem of drug is quite a complex one. It will be difficult for one to solve. There are many parts of it, starting from legal issues to social issues, rehabilitation. But as a doctor or as a clinician or as a psychologist, as a medical nurse, our role is mainly in prevention, in counseling, and in treatment.